Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Microsoft is taking emergency action to address a critical Windows issue that's been causing problems for some users. And it's a reminder that when it comes to security updates, you need to be vigilant. We've all heard of Microsoft pushing out those regular security patches, but sometimes these updates can cause more harm than good. In this case, the company has confirmed that its May 13, 2025 Windows security update was failing for some users and breaking their Windows 11 experience. The symptoms were pretty straightforward. A PC device needs to be repaired, error message, with error code XC. But it gets worse. This issue isn't just limited to one specific update. The ACPI.sys driver problem is actually affecting virtual environments too. We're talking Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Virtual Desktop, and even on-premises virtual machines hosted on Citrix or Hyper-V. That's a lot of enterprise users who are going to be impacted. Now, Microsoft has released an out-of-band update. That's what they call it when they push out a fix outside of the normal update cycle. This one is called KB506217, and it's available through their update catalog. What makes this update so special is that it resolves the ACPI.sys driver issue, which is a critical piece of software that enables Windows to manage hardware resources and power states. But before you start downloading and installing this new update, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you're running Windows 11 version 22H2 or 23H2, you'll need to download and install KB506217. Microsoft advises that once installed, you'll need to restart your device, no exceptions. One thing that's interesting about this update is that it includes all the improvements and fixes from the May 2025 non-security preview update. That means, if you've already applied some of those updates, you might not need to apply any further ones before installing KB506217. But just in case, Microsoft says don't bother trying. This update supersedes all previous updates for affected versions. So what can we learn from this story? Always be cautious when it comes to security updates and never rush into applying a new patch without checking the details first. Microsoft is always looking out for its users, but even they can make mistakes. That's why these emergency out-of-band updates are so important. For those of you who are wondering how to get your hands on KB506217, head over to Microsoft's update catalog and follow their instructions. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your Windows experience. Stay secure, and we'll catch you in the next video.